Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you all about JavaScript conditional operation. If condition, as condition, operators, equal to operators. So all this comes in this tutorial. So let's get started. First, let's see some operators. So I am that opening console. Let's clear this. Now, let's see some operators. So, here are some operators like 5 greater than 6. You can see this is symbol of greater than. It's false. If I type 5 smaller than 6. So, first is greater than symbol. Second is smaller than symbol. Then third comes 6 smaller than 6 greater than equal to 6, which is true. That's why I print true. 6 greater than equal to, but 6 is not greater, but it is equal to. Also 6 is smaller than equal to 6. So first is greater than. So first is greater than, second is smaller than, third is greater than equal to, fourth is smaller than equal to, and fifth comes 6 equal to 6. So 6 equal to 6. Now here what is the difference between double equal and triple equal in Java? So if I write equal to 6, it print true. Here 6 is number and 6 is string, but it print true. But if I write triple equal to, it print false. So triple equal to is used for checking type of variable also. Means value equal to type. Both check in triple equal to. Now let's see other operators like 3 greater than 4 and 3 greater than 2. So this is AND condition which check multiple condition at same time. Like, so all condition must be satisfied. Also you can see if I write 5 greater than 4, 5 greater than 3 and 5 greater than 1. So you can see in this all condition it satisfies. Means 5 is greater than 4, 5 is greater than 3 and 5 is greater than 1. So all conditions must be satisfied in this. So this is used for multiple condition at same time for checking. Also let's see more. If I write 3 greater than 4 or 3 greater than 2. So you can see this is OR operator. Means in this condition one condition must be satisfied, then it become true. So here if I see 3 greater than 4 which is false, but if you see 3 greater than 2 which is true. So here any condition will be satisfied, then it will become true. And here all condition must be satisfied. So simple example, in AND all condition must be satisfied, and in OR only one condition must be satisfied. If I write 3 greater than 1, 2, it also work. So remember this, AND is used for checking all the condition must be satisfied, and OR is equal to checking one condition must be satisfied. And here you can see if one condition satisfied, it run. You can also see or 3 greater than 5, again it will be true. One condition every time satisfy, which is 3 greater than 2. So these are the operators which we use in condition checking. First is greater than, second is smaller than, third is greater than equal to, fourth is smaller than equal to, fifth is equal to, sixth is triple equal to, and seventh is AND operator, eighth is OR operator. You use this condition in every if condition or any condition of while loop, any condition statement, you can use this operators. So remember this 8 operators always. Now let's see some basic programming of if condition. So come back here. Now creating a file, new HTML file, JavaScript conditions. So changing title, JavaScript conditions. Now creating a JS file. So new JavaScript file, JS conditions. Click on add. Link this JavaScript file to HTML file. So script src JS condition and close the script tag. Now let's see. First creating a variable where a equal to, not taking user input, prompt enter value of a, then taking input where b equal to prompt enter value of b. Now let's see syntax of if condition. So if condition, so here condition must be true or false. Block run on true. So let's see example. I write the syntax here. Syntax. Now let's try to run a code of if block. So if a greater than b, then I will print alert a is greater. Again, if b is greater than a, then I will print alert b is greater. Now let's run the file. So right click on run. So it's asking for input, like giving 10 and here 15. So you can see it show b is greater, which is correct. So this is a simple example of if condition. Also, if you try to add else condition also. So here if you see if condition, now let's see if else condition. If a greater than b, then let so console dot log a is greater, and in else condition, so you need to write else block b is greater. If condition run, then if will be block, if true block will be run, else this condition will run. So here if a is greater, then a is greater will show, or b is greater than so. Let's see what happened when I run. Again run Control R, 80, 50, and you can see a is greater and a is greater, which is correct. So this a is greater from coming from if else condition. Also you can take multiple input, like let's see. Now let's see if else example. Copy this code. Else if. So first it check first condition, second condition, then it will print on else condition. So these are the if else condition block for checking multiple condition. Now let's see example of if else condition. If a greater than B, and which I already show you, and which I already show you how to use and, then A greater than C. So it will print console.log A is greater, else again if B greater than A and B greater than C. So console.log B is greater. Then in else condition, console.log C is greater. So here first it will check A is greater than B and A is greater than C. Means both conditions must be satisfied. If it's satisfied, then it's so A is greater, or else if it will come to B, check B is greater than A and B is greater than C, then it will print B is greater, else it will print C is greater. Now let's see what happened if I run 10, 15, 20, and you can see C is greater, which is correct. So this is simple example of else if else condition. These are must three. So these are three important part of if else condition. Also you can use multiple condition also, like ternary operators. Here you can see console.log ternary operator for single lines of condition checking. Now let's see if A greater than B, then it will print A is greater colon B is greater. So this single line condition checking using ternary operator. If A greater than B, it will execute true or it will do false. So see the syntax also. Syntax condition run on true, run on false. Now again let's run program. So refresh 50, 60, 70, and you can see B is greater from ternary operator. It will print from ternary operator. So this is simple example of ternary operator for single line condition checking. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. I will show you more about examples in next topics or in later topics of our JavaScript programs. So thanks for watching with us. Please like our video and subscribe our channel.